I'm James with Rockin' Classic Cars. I have a YouTube channel that I've been recording classic car shows and gatherings for the last few months in the Parker County area. And today we're at SuperTech Automotive in the Willow Willow Park area with my new friend Dominic with Forefront Customs. And we'll be doing some videos coming soon about the 66 Ford Mustang Convertible restoration project. So stay tuned and we'll try to keep you updated as we go along.
This is his YouTube channel, Rocking Classic Cars. And man, let me tell you, he's got some good footage. We're trying to keep this family friendly and family fun, man. If we inspire you, if you are looking to do a project, you know, you can always reach out and see what we can do for you. What's going on, guys? This is Don P. I'm with Forefront Customs. Right now I'm with Bill McLaughlin with SuperTech, and thank you SuperTech for allowing this dream to come true. Without them we wouldn't be here. I'm gonna give it over to Bill. He's gonna tell you a few things about himself and what he does here.
Hi, my name's Bill. I'm the manager of SuperTech Automotive. We do pretty much everything here. We offer a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on everything we do. We have free loaner cars. There's pretty much nothing that we can't do here for you. If you have any issues or problems, please come see me. Love to have you come in.
All right, guys. They did a good job. Thank you, Bill, for allowing us to be here and to film here and to also build cars for you guys. I want to give a big shout out to James Vick also. He's the owner. Wow, such an amazing dude. Thank you, Jody. And we're going to go from here. Okay, let me show you a few cars that we're building right now. Thanks, Bill.
Yep, no problem.
Thanks, sir.
I get excited when I come to this job, man. This is like the magic room.
Woo!
So this is like James's dream right now. I just get to be a part of it. This is a 1966 convertible Mustang Resto mod. Now what we did with this vehicle is we went a little bit different. We deleted seams, deleted seam up here, brand new quarter, custom built quarter panel scoops. I mean, that's the whole 9 yards. New dash, new floors, new outer shells on the doors. We want to keep something original because we like the vents. The gap is beautiful. The door shuts good. New rockers, new fenders, new upper and lower cowl, modified hood. This is an original hood. Put a custom hood scoop on there, fully functional. New aprons underneath, new firewalls custom, new torque box, rails we're gonna keep, and we're gonna delete this. We got a new suspension coming in a few weeks, so you guys get to watch that come to life, man. This is the main build that we have going on. It's a full frame off restoration, and the cool thing about it is we did it the way that we wanted to do it, and there's not going to be another one out there like it. As far as like custom interior, the custom drivetrain. We also, let me show you the engine. It's a 289. But everybody's familiar with 289. You don't have to have a lot of horsepower in this car to make it go very fast, you know. So, just a little sneak peek. It's a little dusty, but hey, we'll make it look brand new. Now we're gonna go with, we got a couple secrets we're gonna modify on this engine, but you gotta stay tuned and stay tuned to see what we're gonna have for you in the future. You're guaranteed gonna like it, and you're gonna put smiles on your face. Right now this is a 71 Mach 1 Mustang, brand new quarters, brand new drop downs on the trunk. Tape off the end, there's not a lot of filler in it. I don't like using a lot of filler. So this was a T-butt weld with a TIG. And I used a little bit of MIG in there as well. We got, I have to work on this door today. So with these cars, what you find is you kind of want to keep everything as original as possible. I mean, putting new in with the old. We kind of want to keep it as original as possible. it's okay to put something new. If you have to replace it, it's faster that way. But if you have the time to do it and hand make it, there's just something about it. And people love it, man. I mean, the customer loves it. What we did right here is we did the inner and outer door panel. Now, this structure was brought out. I saved a piece for you guys so you guys could see what's going on. Let me see where I put it. No, I didn't throw it away. That happens quite a bit here. So, this was first. I was like, man, it went like this, and that was right there. I knew that wasn't gonna work. So, took a piece of flat sheet metal and used the little bender right here, the breakover. Went to the English wheel, went to the plenishing hammer, did some shrinking stretching. Let me show you. We build everything by hand in-house. And you know, now we're taking it in.
So are you going to do the interior here also? Or?
The interior, the customer has his own interior. He's got another interior guy. I bought a sewing machine, but I'm not that good yet. But just give me some time, and you guys will get to see some videos getting built like that.
What kind of time frame do you expect on the 66?
So we started this in February, and we thought it was just going to be an overnight thing. However, when the sandblaster got here, we were kind of like, no, stop sandblasting. Because, well, the more we got to it, we got down to the meat of the bone and realized there was no more meat on the bone. So that's when James decided, he was like, hey man, let's just get some new panels, let's see where we're at. And it just went from there. Now, James is a very intelligent businessman, and I look up to this guy like, wow, you know, he's taught me a lot of things. He's still teaching me things. I still love to learn things from him. So he's like, if you don't do it right the first time, and we're coming out of the blocks, people are going to look at us different. So let's just do it right. Let's just figure it out. Got the go ahead from his wife, Jody. Love her, love you, Jody. Thank you for allowing this to come true, man. Wow. And we get to live our dreams, man. We're still. I tell people that, hey man, I'm 44 and I still play with cars.
That's awesome. What kind of color scheme are you going with? Do you know yet?
Scheme, we're going to go a gunmetal gray with 2 black racing stripes. Now, the way that we're going to shoot the stripes, you're going to have to watch the video. You're going to keep continuing to watch us.
Oh yeah. And
you're going to see what we're doing. But hey man, thanks for watching. I got to get to work on this.